With the two major earthquakes in January off the island's shore, there are more concerns as to whether the island can withstand a tsunami, which usually comes after an underwater earthquake. This evening, we hear what happened after authorities carried out a test in Hellshire, St. Catherine. Kalisha Williams speaks of that story.
A woman in distress. So-called looters caught on camera. Even as emergency personnel try to get persons to safety. It's all an act as authorities carry out a tsunami drill in Hellshire, St. Catherine.
And it was a fine exercise for the community to learn that when a disaster is around, they can take away themselves real fast and prepare themselves to leave.
But not everyone heeded the sound of the alarm. According to the response team, it's clear that many persons do not take evacuation seriously.
Very few persons actually participated in the assimilation exercise.
Over 91 persons were evacuated from the community of hundreds of people. The simulation, spearheaded by the municipal corporation through partnership with the Caribbean Development Bank, was aimed at evacuating persons from the beach to this shelter.
We are hoping that, as time goes by, we will get more assistance. I want to really take this opportunity to big up CDB to carrying out this exercise and partner with the Portmore Municipal Council. We are looking forward for more agencies to come on board so that we can really fully prepared and also to have resources for any eventuality.
Portmore St. Catherine is one of the island's most vulnerable communities when it comes to natural disasters. Because of this, the municipality is along the south coast and just 16 meters above sea level. It's why residents are being warned.
A tsunami, you cannot outswim it, you cannot outrun it. So whenever a drill like this is in the area, I'm encouraging everyone to participate.
The vice president of a Portmore-based leadership group believes the municipal corporation can do more.
Sound travels well in Hellshire. So if you have a proper alarm system on the beach, right, we can actually use that to alert the more coastal and vulnerable areas of Hellshire.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ.